In this video, I'm going to show you how to link X Empire to Binance. Get started with the video. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your Telegram account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to the X Empire bot and click on the play button to start playing the X Empire minigame. Now this will redirect you to your X Empire homepage. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the hamburger icon which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen and click on airdrop. Once you click on airdrop, this will redirect you into this page. Now in here, go ahead and click on the connect wallet, swipe right, and click on the view all wallets. Now under all wallets, you'll be able to find Binance at the bottom of the list. So go ahead and click on Binance and this will redirect you to the Binance app if you have the app installed on your device. If you don't have, this will redirect you to the website of Binance. Now once you get redirected to the website, you'll need to sign into your Binance account and authorize the connection between your Binance account and your X Empire account. Now once you have authorized the connection between your Binance account and your X Empire account, your Binance account will be linked with your X Empire account. And that's how you can simply link Binance to X Empire. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.